Good evening, I'm Marla Carter. Thanks for joining us tonight. The Sand Springs Police Department is hurting for more police officers. Well, now a federal grant could help out. New on 2 News reporter Sarah Goldenberg has details.
The grant funds salaries and benefits for 2 officers over the next 3 years. The Sand Springs Police are short on manpower. Budget cuts have forced the city to freeze 4 positions.
Manpower has definitely been an issue we've been discussing for the last couple of years.
Officer Kevin O'Keefe has learned to do more with less. The department hired 1 new officer due to retirement. Now a federal COPS grant could bring 2 more police to the force.
The more we can get, the better off we are.
The $338,000 grant would hire 2 police officers for a 3-year contract. That wouldn't cost the city, but the city would have to pay to keep the officers on board for a 4th year.
It will still present us with some issues we'll have to look at. We have to find money to equip the officers, and we have to find money for vehicles and things like that to put these officers in. But in the end, the impact that they can make to our citizens is worth that effort.
Assistant Chief Mike Carter says funding for a 4th year would cost the city nearly $113,000. But with 29 officers on the force, he says 2 more would make a big difference.
We're still climbing out of a hole. I mean, we're not adding additional officers where these officers are going to have a lot of free time. We're still 2 officers down from where we should be, even with these 2 officers here. So what this is going to do is place some relief on our officers.
He's hopeful City Council will accept the grant.
I think that's the risk you're taking when you don't take money like this, is you're putting your population at risk. And to me, $112,000 is a worthy gamble to keep our citizens safe.
City Council is expected to discuss accepting the funding at an upcoming meeting. In Sand Springs, Sarah Goldenberg, 2 News works for you.
Thank you, Sarah. Other local police agencies, including the Tulsa Police Department, are considering accepting the same federal grant money to hire more police officers. A little